Hi folks, another week is coming, so let's take a look at our predictions, results, and where market is going to. So as you can see, I draw this small chart or lines where market should go, in my opinion. And as you can see, yeah, it little bit went down and then I came back to the same resistance level. So basically, nothing has changed here. We are in a side channel and testing this resistance to go up, or if we won't be able to break it and something bad happen in the world, it will go down. But here you see another support level that we should break before going down. So it's more or less the same. Let's take a look at gold. Here is gold chart, and as you can see, I was wrong. I thought market will go down, but it's going up because the opposite correlation with SP 500, which is basically stocks. And usually when stocks are going down, the gold is going up, but still the same. We are testing the region around 2000, and it's really hard to break that one because market tried to do so, as you can see, already 3 times, and then it was top or highest point, and then it went down. So I wouldn't recommend to buy gold right now because yeah, as you can see, if we zoom a little bit to 5 minute chart, it might be a good opportunity to buy for short term, but I don't know. I won't recommend that. You may try to sell gold, expecting the market to go up. I mean, the SP 500 and stocks in general, and then people will exit from gold, and because of that, the price might go down. So my long-term prediction is still the same. I don't think in like half a year or year it continued to climb, but we'll see. Nobody knows the future. Let's move on to the commodities, and this time oil. Here is oil chart, and as you can see, I was exactly right. Here is what I draw. Let me zoom a little bit. Here I draw the path that price will go down and then go up, and it did exactly like this. It went down, and if you had a limit buy order here at 65, it would work, and then it came back again, and now climbing up. The difference only it did it like in 3 candles, not as I thought, but yeah, it might be go down again and then go up, so we'll see. But my short-term prediction worked. Looking at NatGas price, I see that it's still kind of in side channel, same as SP 500. We went down a little bit again to the support of 2 and 2, I think, and then slowly climbing up, but it's still more or less the same side channel. Yeah, maybe in the future we will come back higher, but it will take some time. I decided to include cotton graph and my vision about what's going on here. And yeah, here is the same side channel. As you can see, we can't break the support, and same with resistance. But in the future, because of this picture, I think we can continue to go up because population on Earth is growing, so we will need more cotton. And the next stop would be at this level, which is 1.18, I think, around that price, but nobody knows when we will break resistance and go up. So just wait. And here is the wheat channel. I hope I pronounced it correctly. But as you can see, we are currently in downtrend, and nobody knows when we will come back to growth. We tested another one support level here and now slowly growing, but in order to come back to growth, we need to break this huge resistance level, and only after that we will we will be able to make some predictions about future growth. On cocoa graph, as you can see, situation is more or less similar to gold. We are testing once again the all-time high, and that's why it's really hard to predict if we are going to go up or come back. Most likely we will drop down and then might come back to growing, but I won't trade on this market right now because yeah, it's hard to say in such situation whenever we will continue to grow or go down, because yeah, you might try to sell same as gold, but up to you. Situation with Bitcoin more or less the same as last week. We are still in side channel. Let me zoom a little bit to show you. So as you can see, we are going up and down, down and up, but still need to broke this resistance, and then we will continue to go up. But for now, you can just trade if you know. Otherwise, just wait for future returns. I mean, higher returns if you are just investing in Bitcoin. Here is Ethereum chart, and also same as Bitcoin, we already finished a downtrend and now in uptrend channel. The next stop for us would be 2500, and if you enter right now, and actually this is really good time from what I can see, we will slowly climb to this price and can take our profits. I think we might go down even to 1000, but fundamentally, because of the next year halving, I think cryptocurrencies continue to grow. So it just might take you more time to wait until you take your profit. This is Apple chart, and as you can see, we already broke downtrend and now going up, and currently previously worked at support level, now working as a resistance. So it's really hard to say also if we continue to go up. I mean, Apple in general, biggest company in the world, and it's really safe, so you won't lose all your money, it won't go to bankrupt. So I would say it's a good company to invest in any time, but right now I would say if you have some investments, or you are middle day trader, or swing trader, or short-term trader, not investor, it's good time to take your profits, because if there will be any pullback on the market, you can buy Apple stock longer. But yeah, that's my vision about what's going on here. Here is Amazon chart, and as you can see, it looks much more interesting for investors compared to Apple, because we are going up, but we are not reaching the previous all-time high. And as you can see, we are already broke or testing to broke this downtrend and slowly climbing. So what I think, we will go down a little bit and then continue to go up, and next stop for us would be this level. As you can see, it worked as a support here and as a resistance here when price tried to continue to come back and come back to growing, but it didn't work and we fell down. So this is around 140, and current price is 105, so it's really nice profit. So you can see, yeah, you can put your buy limit orders about 100 or 110, sorry, 101, and then take your profits, making about 40%. But yeah, for sure it might go sideways. It won't be just straight candle to this price, but we'll see. Now let's take a look at the Microsoft price chart. The situation is more or less similar with other technical companies such as Apple or Google or Amazon. We already broke downtrend and now going up, but it's not the best time to invest right now, because price opened with gap and currently trading around 310. So I expect it to go down a little bit before climbing, and there are two support levels in this case, as you can see here, and more important here, because that one is also a horizontal line. As you can see, I drew it here. In the worst case, price will go down to this level, which is about 300, and then continue to go up. So yeah, you can put your buy limit orders about 300 and then take your profit about 340, because after hitting the all-time high from the previous time, we will come back like this and then continue to go up. I mean, if everything is okay. And yeah, that's it about Microsoft. Here is Google chart, and as you can see, situation is more or less the same as with Amazon. We already broke downtrend and now going up, but still I think we will go down a little bit and then continue to go up to a target level of 120. So buy orders can be placed about 100, and yeah, it will make you about 20% profit, because Google is not going anywhere. It's one of the largest companies in the world, and yeah, it will make you money. Just wait a little bit longer. And because of the previous regulations that they have about artificial intelligence, they are reviewing their rules to beat or at least compete with OpenAI and with Microsoft with their famous ChatGPT product. They released Bart AI, which is not as good, but I think at Google management understand what the problems they have and what to do. So in long term, this is a good company. I think that's it for today. If you have any questions, just ask in comments and I will try to reply to each and every one. And have a good day and profits, everyone. See ya.